So in another video, I showed you how you can track what your employees are doing and where there are problem areas in terms of employees. But it's useful to know if there's problem areas on a job as a whole or in a particular division. So in Veculum, there's a division labor tracker, which allows you to see all the cars in each division and then see where the problem areas are. So in this particular case, with this division labor tracker, I'm showing the stripping, the panel beating, the painting, and the assembly division. And so you can see which cars are in the stripping section, which in the panel beating, and which are in the assembly division. And it also will highlight to you, as the guys are working, which jobs there's been an overrun of work. So for example, this particular job 26, we allocated 1 hours and 54 minutes, and we've worked 11 hours and 12 minutes. Now, we can also have a display showing this information in each section, and that would be so that would be something like this. I'm just going to quickly switch over to there. We're going to go there. So this would be the division labor tracker in that particular department. And we could show just, for example, just the stripping in that department. Let's flip up back to our other Veculum. And so there's a couple of ways of moving the cars. Now, the obvious way is using the clocking that your employee does. So as the panel beater starts working on, for example, job number 26, then the first clocking that arrives, it will automatically move it from the stripping section to the panel beating section without any manual intervention. If you're walking the floor and you discover, oh, hang on, job 26 is actually in the panel beating section, you can manually change it from the stripping section to the panel beating, and then it will move off the panel beaters, the strippers division labor tracker to the panel beaters labor tracker. And then obviously that will have a different allocation of time. So in this case, there's 0 hours because no one started working on that. So yeah, that's just a helpful way of knowing exactly what's happening in terms of the labor on a car or in a division that we can try and help you with.